In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I created this dripping effect in Affinity. You're gonna start by selecting the selection brush tool in order to crop out the image from the background. Select Refine to clear out any imperfections from your image. Press Apply and hover over to where it says Mask Layer from your Layers tab and select Mask. To fix those minor imperfections, I'll use the brush tool within the mask and clean up the details. Next, I'll add a fill layer to create the background. I'm going to lower the opacity of the paint drip image so I can line up the woman perfectly inside it. I'm increasing the opacity again, rasterizing the image, and using the Flood Select tool to cleanly separate the paint drip from the white background. I'm holding Ctrl button on my keyboard and left clicking on the paint drip layer to load its outline as a selection, which I'll use as a mask to fit the woman inside. Holding Ctrl plus D on the keyboard deselects the selection, removing the outline. Now I'll grab the brush tool and use it to reveal the woman inside the mask.